kill him. I'll kill that rider. We'll cut him off at the kingdom and get back the crown. Come on.
Or perhaps you want to stop acting like wild dogs chasing their tails and think for a moment. Oh, please, there's no need for that. Well, if that's all you desire, then be on your way. I was going to offer you something worth 1,000 crowns. Would have made you rich beyond belief, and that wasn't even the best part. Oh, well, c'est la vie. Enjoy your crown.
What's the best part?
It comes with revenge on Flynn Rider.
I brought breakfast. I hope you're hungry. Okay, that's disgusting. I've got some salmon, some nice Icelandic cod, and a whole smoked eel. No. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like eel much either. That's it.
So, you're being strangely cryptic as you wrap your magic hair around my injured hand?
Sorry. Just don't freak out. Flower, gleam and glow. Let your power shine. Make the clock reverse. Bring back what once was mine. Heal what has been hurt. Change the fate's design. Save what has been lost. Bring back what once was mine. What once was mine.
Oh.
Please don't freak out.
I'm not freaking out. Are you freaking out? No, I'm just very interested in your hair and the magical qualities that it possesses. How long has it been doing that exactly?
Forever, I guess. Mother says when I was a baby, people tried to cut it. They wanted to take it for themselves. But once it's cut, it turns brown and loses its power. A gift like that, it has to be protected. That's why Mother never let me... That's why I never left and...
You never left that tower. And you're still gonna go back?
No. Yes. It's complicated. So, Eugene Fitzherbert, huh?
Yeah, well, I'll spare you the sob story of poor orphan Eugene Fitzherbert. It's a little bit of a... That's a little bit of a downer. There was this book. A book I used to read every night to all the younger kids. The Tales of Flanagan Ryder. Swashbuckling rogue, richest man alive, not bad with the ladies either. Not that he'd ever brag about it, of course.
Was he a thief too?
Well, no. Actually, he had enough money to do anything that he wanted to do. He could go anywhere that he wanted to go. And for a kid with nothing, I don't know, just seemed like the better option. You can't tell anyone about this, okay? It could ruin my whole reputation.
We wouldn't want that.
Well, a fake reputation is all a man has. Well, I should get some more firewood.
Hey, for the record, I like Eugene Fitzherbert much better than Flynn Rider.
Well, then you'd be the first. But thank you.